One of the ways we can make our interfaces more accessible is through colour. There are a few different accessibility issues to look out for. One, is there enough difference in contrast between the text colour and the background colour behind it, so everyone can read your text easily? There are many contrast checker tools out there, including a plugin for Penpot. You also need to pay attention to interactive elements like buttons, icons, and form fields, even if they don't have any text. If it's important to using and understanding your interface, it needs to have sufficient contrast. 2. Are you using colour as information? When something goes wrong, do you put a big red box around it? Or turn the text red? Do you use a little red asterisk to indicate a required form field? What happens if a person can't see that big red box or understand what that red asterisk means? Providing a text label or description alongside these visual indicators will make your interface easier to read, whether a person is colorblind or using a device that doesn't display color. I'm not saying don't use color to aid understanding, just make sure it's in a supporting role. Join us at penpot.app/courses.